Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about Fay Beauty skin tint, and I am using the shade 21 Cool Olive. How the shade looks, 21 Ohm, and this is how it looks on my neck. For me, it has oxidized very faintly, not much. Builds up to medium coverage. I wouldn't classify this as a foundation or etc. Definitely would put it in a skin tint category with more natural glowy finish. For my dry skin, does it like look very glowy and oily? No, I would say it would give natural luminous look. The skin tint is more oily than my preference. All the times that I have been using it, I have been applying this with a brush, a foundation kabuki brush, and this has been applying a little streakily. It does take time to settle down, and what I have noticed is that when I apply it, it does cling a little bit to my dry patches. Like, it does take time to settle down, and once you use especially powder products, you can having a little struggle with the brush to apply your blush or bronzer if you are using a powder product. Now let's talk about the wear test. As you can see here on the pics, the first hour, second hour, everything looks good. I don't see it clinging to my texture or my forehead lines, etc. It goes on all smooth. Both days I have not used any setting spray to test really how good it sits with my skin. As the day progressed, I would start seeing some separation, and I would see proper separation without a setting spray after 6 to 7 hours around my nose, as you can see, around my mouth. And now, is this typical of Fenty skin tint or other skin tints that I have used? I would say no. This is extremely emollient with oil, so I would expect that. It was a decent staying power. I did not see, with the setting powder, I did not see a lot of transfer. I did not see it, like coming off on my clothes or etc. Did it move my blush or bronzer? No, absolutely not. For an oily skin person, definitely you would need a very heavy setting powder and setting spray. If you are a dry skin person like me and using this on daily basis, definitely would recommend you to wear a setting spray with this, because with setting powder and etc, 7 hours is your tops. Coming on to my ratings, well, I think for the price of where there has been a lot of discussion on social media platform and etc, the pricing is expensive. Yes, but you have to understand that there is literally no brand in India which is currently providing 30 different shade ranges. In terms of my rating for the shade range, it is 10 on 10. In terms of rating for my staying power, I would say it is 7 on 10. They can really do better with this in terms of how it performs while wearing and how it feels on the skin. I would still say 7.5 on 10. In terms of how it performs with other products, I would say 8.5 on 10. And how it looks and while it wears, I would say that would be again 8.5 on 10. Do I recommend this? Yes, 100%. If you are looking to buy a skin tint for every day, and if you're a dry skin person, I would 100% recommend this. I am not sure how this would wear on an oily skin person, because even though I have dry skin, it does have a 6 to 7 hour wear time. If you're oily skin, I think it would be a bit of a struggle unless you top it up with a good setting powder and a setting spray. Do I think there are better options in the market right now in terms of skin tint at this price point? No. I think this is one of the best options for skin tint at this price range. They have done a brilliant job to start with. I think they definitely can improve on this in terms of blurring or toning down how oily this is, making a more lightweight option. Definitely I did not find this as most lightweight serum that I have ever tried. I hope this helps. Bye.